Hello, I welcome you to this video. In this video I'll be showing you how to create this design in Revit. You can see it clearly here. Look at the way it is. We are going to be creating it now, and let's go to our project. And this is it. It is a very simple design, and I'll go to the approach view and simply go to model in place, select model in place, use casework, click OK, and click OK again. Then select extrusion, and we are asked to pick work plane now. Make sure select element by face is on before you start this process, and click OK. Then we want to sketch on this plane and pick a line and draw, and use dimension to ascertain the dimension of this. I want this one to be, I want the height to be 150. Click OK, and if I like, I can delete this dimension now. Then I want the depth to be something like 500 mm, and the material should look like wood. The material should look like something like wood. Okay, so I start from here. I can duplicate this one and give it a name as door head, whatever name you want to give it, doesn't matter. Okay, and click OK, and that is that. Then I'm going to have another line. I have another line like that, and fix dimension. I'll fix dimension here and select this upper one. I want this particular, the distance between them should be 20 mm, and press enter. Then fix dimension here also, so that they will be of the same height. This one will be 150 mm, and I'm going to delete these ones, and I'm going to copy them. Select copy, then I make sure I pick the one on the lower end so that the gap between them will be the same. Okay, I pick this one, I'll drop it, and make sure multiple is selected. Then I'll drop this one as well. I only need 4 of them, and if I like, I can move it up so that it will touch the first floor, and finish it. Let's look at it in 3D. This is it, and we still need to work on it because we need to project outward. We need to project out. It's not, if you look at our case study, it's not inside the wall, it is outside. So I'm going to, I can go to section. Let's finish it first. If I go to this section, this particular section, I can see it here. So from here, I can drag this node and push it out. Okay, and go to 3D and you see it is fine now. Okay, so that is how you can create that design, and I hope you get something from this video. If you do, make sure you give me a video testimonial. I will appreciate that. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.